patient trader than clicking everything you see. Alright, so this will close in few minutes. Let's see what's going on. It will close in few minutes. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so it has just closed. Can you see? Price closed here. You can call this a very high bullish momentum. Someone can enter here and say, but it's still not proper. We are trading structure, not just candles. Look at the structure here. H1 is still forming. It still has 29 minutes. M30 just closed. Let's see how it closed. Can you see this? Would you call this indecision candle or what? The pressure reduced. The sellers came into the market with lots of pressure. So let's see. If you sell here, just know that this is a very risky sell. If you sell here, it's risky, right? Why it's risky is because there is no break of structure. There's no break of structure. So we need to see this low taken out. If you are looking to sell this market, we need to see this low taken out. Price has the right to form a bullish candle from a good rejection from this zone and continue buying. So we are waiting to see what will happen next. This has 13 minutes to close. If it closes, we need to see a break. Price has to come down, then give us a retest and we continue selling. It's just that simple. Why we are looking at this zone to see what's going on? If you look here, price was selling earlier, selling, and now gave a push, retested this zone, took out this low. Look at this low, price took it out, but never came back to retest anywhere. So they came here, trap people and come up. So this is like a retest of this zone. So even if you sell here, you are right, but just know that it's risky until you see a break in structure here. If you don't see a break in structure here, then you can lose your money. Can you see price is giving us some buy momentum, but we are waiting until we see what we need to see. So keep being patient and keep watching what will happen with the candles. Okay, we need to see that low taken out. The price will continue pushing higher. Okay, this is M15. It has 12 minutes to close. Let me take off this. I like to have a clean chart. Okay, so if we are selling because of the candles, you will be in drawdown, because remember your stop loss will be above. Price is pushing back to entry, so you keep waiting. From what has been happening before now, the bullish pressure is much. Can you see how they gave us bullish engulfing in the morning and pushed higher? I see good bullish engulfing. Stop loss in this area. The price pushed higher. Okay, so we are waiting to see what will happen. Okay, so people in H1, their loss is reducing. Okay, this is H1, which has 25 minutes. For M15 is where we were looking before now. Alright, so this candle is closing in a few minutes. This is how you monitor your charts. Okay, this has 10 minutes. It has 10 minutes. It has 10 minutes. Let's see what will happen at that zone. If it will continue buying. If it will continue buying. Alright. Okay. So if someone sold because of this candle, the person will be in drawdown, right? This candle has 9 minutes to close. Okay, let's see what's going on. If the buyers are taking over, we'll find out. It has 8 minutes to close. We'll see what's going on. So if you check your journal, your trade journal, you see that these are some of the reasons why you lose your money. You don't pay attention to these little details. Candles tell stories. If you are wise, you listen to the stories they tell you and make use of it and make your money. It makes you keep it very, very simple, right? So this has 7 minutes to close. I don't want this particular video to be very much. Okay, so I may end this video. It's forming a week. Can you see this one? Can is forming a week, but we are not sure till it closes, and then we see. So this low and this high needs to be taken. Either way, if they take out this high, we continue buying. If they take out this low, we test, we continue selling. At anywhere between or inside this zone is ranging. Anywhere inside this range is ranging. We need to be sure that this previous high is taken out. Okay, if it breaks low, we test, we sell. If it breaks high, we test, we continue buying. But inside this range is what is range. The reason is because previous higher low is still holding, previous high is still holding, so we need to be sure of what price is doing. Alright, so this way you keep it simple. Look out for my video for where I will give a general analysis of what happened in this market. Feel free to subscribe and ask your questions in the comment section. Cheers.